So we just poured a little bit ago, melted some aluminum. Made our first kind of ingot minus the aluminum turd. But now we got some 1984 and younger pennies. Probably 1.5 pounds of them in there. So we're gonna pour it and see what it looks like. Whoa!
Wicked. What?
Boil, toil, and trouble. Somebody's.
Something.
Boy, howdy. Okay.
Something.
Here we go. If there's anybody watching that is knows things about metal, a metallurgist, holla. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Bazinga!
Oh my God, it's so bright.
That is nuts.
What is that in there, bud? Woo!
Oh,
Awesome!
Now I'm glad that stayed over.
Awesome. Bro.
What?
Got it? Okay.
It's stuck to the cast iron. Copper gets way hotter and it doesn't stick. What? Copper gets way hotter